It's Birthday King Dan here. I'm in Leeds today. I've been here since yesterday. I'm going back home tomorrow. There's one problem though. The weather's crap. It's bloody been pissing down the rain all morning, and it still doesn't look very good now. I mean, it's, like I said, it's 20 past 11, and I could have gone out an hour ago, but oh god, it's horrible. I came to Leeds 2 years ago and it was nice and sunny, as I remember. And I did a vlog, as I remember, as you watched it on this channel. And went round Leeds. But I don't think I'll be doing much of a long video today. I think I'll just, well, try and go for a walk round, just not very long though, because it's raining. It was alright yesterday, but today it's been bad weather. I mean, only been out a couple of times just to go outside for a bit, 10 minutes or so, but I woke up this morning about 7 o'clock and it was absolutely dark and it was bloody horrible. It was pissing down all bloody morning. Spent most of the time on my laptop. Oh, I've got my Nintendo Switch 2, of course. Luckily I brought that with me. I always bring that with me when I go away. But yeah, I don't think I'll do much today. Could have done a lot more, but no, I think I ain't going to do much. But I definitely won't go to the Isle of Wight in 2 months' time on holiday, so that's something to look forward to. And I'll be doing a lot more vlogging, especially when I go to Portsmouth as well, just before I go to the Isle of Wight and Sandown. So when I do go to Sandown, the Isle of Wight again, that's when I'll be doing a video. But I don't record the whole week. I'll just do like a couple, like three or 4 days worth of vlogging. But I think I might just put them all in one video, do Portsmouth and obviously do these in Sandown on the Isle of Wight and do it all in one video. Well, I'll go out in a bit. I think I go to McDonald's. I did yesterday, I'll go again, so I think I might do that, get something to eat and then have something to eat in later. So yeah, I'll be back soon. 2 hours. Been to McDonald's and I've been around Leeds, just around this area. Not much to do because it's the weather. I just wish it was sunny. I had a lot better time last time when I was in here. In this very hotel, I was staying here 2 years ago and I went around Leeds more, went around all day. Nice and sunny, wasn't that bad. And I went to more areas, but today I've only been in this one area. So I was going to go on my Nintendo Switch 2 and my laptop more today. And it was only 78 quid for 2 nights, ain't bad. I was going to spend more time there. I'm going to go to the hotel bar downstairs later, just after about between 5 and 6 o'clock, and have something to eat. Oh, I'm going to rest for a bit. I'll be back later. 1:15. It's about 25 to 10 at night. I've just had a shower, and before that I was playing Wario World on Nintendo Switch 2 on the Nintendo GameCube, Nintendo Switch Online, and then after that I did play a bit of NES games. I was playing a bit of Super Mario Bros. 3, only for a little bit, something to pass the time. And now I'm going to start for about an hour and a half, and then I'm going to go to sleep because I'm going to go back home in the morning. It's been alright today, but it's just the weather. It was raining. It's raining a bit again now. Just went outside earlier and it was spotting the rain, but this time pouring down, so it don't rain tomorrow when I go home. I'm going to wait for the coach to come and then I can go back home on the coach. It's about a 3-hour trip. It was 2.5 hours yesterday when I got here, but it's about 3 hours to get back. That's what it said, but I might get back earlier, hopefully. Depends on the traffic on the motorway and going all the way back to the West Midlands. Right, well that's it. It's good to be in Leeds again. It's just too bad. It was the weather that was a bit bad, but never mind. We'll come back to Leeds sometime, but not for a while. I'm going away again in 2 months' time. I'm going to Portsmouth and then go to the Isle of Wight for a week. I'm going back to Sandown, so I'm going to join. I'm looking forward to that. Right, so I'm just going to go on my laptop for a bit. I've got my Nintendo Switch 2 on charge. Just charge it for a bit so I can play on the coach in the morning when I go home. Something to pass the time for. I can always go on my phone and watch a bit of YouTube videos, you know. My headphones on. Yeah, I've got my headphones here. I'll charge them up a bit again later, just to keep on full power. Right, I'm going to go now, so thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon. See ya.